here today attending the Lead Fest 2025 at Thames International College. I really like the activities that were presented to us today. We explored areas like stock market and IT and got to learn many experiments. And above all, I like the session held by Writing Center the most. I really enjoyed doing activities like Pictionary and translating songs.
खोलिदिए मुटु सबैके सानो भइन्छ र देखि बुझी सबै यहाँ के नै नापिन्छ र अब जिन्दगी सरर र मोटर गाडीमा जिन्दगी सरर र मोटर गाडीमा देख्नेले देखि जान्छ बुझ्नेले बुझी जान्छ भेट्नेले भेटी जान्छ
Welcome to The Elements.